Smelly cat, smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Smelly cat, smell. Okay, whoa, 1 second, guys, because Phoebe's very specific about the way people sing her songs. I'm not sure if you're aware of that now. I'm just not feeling how much you care about this cat right now. We're going smelly cat, but what we need to do is smelly cat, smelly cat. You know. All right, guys. So, Phoebe played with a lot of great country artists over the series. Chrissy Hind, Chris Isaacs. But my new smelly cat band here, we've been rehearsing all last night, haven't we? Yeah. You guys are going to be just as good, if not better. Yes? Yeah, I like the confidence that we have in this band, don't I, guys? Nice one. So, the cat stinks, but we love it. 1, 2, 3. Smelly cat, smelly good. What are they feeding you? Smelly cat, it's not your fault. They won't take you to the vet. You're obviously not their favorite pet. You may not be a bed of roses, and you're no friends to those with noses. Smelly cat,